All right, Craig Hocknull here at PGA Village in Port St. Lucie for the 2021 PGA Professional Championship. I'm out here on the 18th green of the Wannamaker course. Just in a few days from now, the championship is going to conclude right here on this green, and somebody, maybe myself, is going to be awarded that trophy. So what I'm going to do is just talk to you a little bit about this green. This particular hole location cut right on the edge is not going to be used at all. It is a practice round hole location, so they're definitely putting the pin here to save the rest of the green for our championship. So I'm going to wander out on the green and talk to you about the tremendous slope that's on there. So follow me down onto the green. Let's take a look at the middle of this green. If you pan over here to the right, what you're going to see is all this water. Your approach shot is coming in over the water, potentially from a fairway bunker on the left or right of the hole. Right here in the center of the green would be a great golf shot. So if I put a ball from here to the different corners of this green, look at how fast this slope is. These golf balls, I just dropped them, are rolling down. So a couple typical hole locations. So from here, right here, you can see these old holes. So if I hit it right here in the middle of the green and I just putt this ball very gently down right here, you can see how quickly that rolls toward the water. Okay, back right hole location. I've got this tremendous slope right here. So as I putt, I'm going to have to basically give this a full shoulder turn just to get it up the hill. You saw how quickly that ball rolled down the slope. So from here, a nice shot into the middle of the green. It's not a guaranteed two putt. So I'm just going to try to get it up. There's a flat spot right there on the back of the green. All right, that was a pretty big swing to not really go that far. A lot of grain. If you zoom in down here real close, you can kind of see, if I scratch my fingernails up this hill, you can kind of see how much that grabs. That's a lot of grain growing down that hill, so it's going to be very, very challenging. Final possible hole location is right here in the front left section of the green. So if I hit it right here in the middle and carry this bunker that's guarding the front left section of the green, I'm going to putt it straight across to this side. Let's take a look. Okay, this is level to slightly down going in this direction. You can see the speed of the green. That ball has a tendency to just kind of roll out like water would exit out of the front side of that green. So here we are on the 18th green. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of a picture and you pick up on a couple of nuances of how to play this particular green like I'm getting ready to do here for the tournament.